Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to find development of any structural member. The development is the finalized drawing of any model which contain knowledge regarding the manufacturing of that part or that assembly. Many content creators creates videos on modeling only, but they miss the important thing, which is development. In this video we will discuss development so that the designer can become able to develop the modeled design or modeled product. So first of all, we will select front plane, sketch. As we are going to design a structural product, so we are going to use IPS unit so that we can understand it better. So first of all, I will change its units to inches. Now I will select top plane, sketch, and I will create a center rectangle. Now I will change its dimensions. This will be 24 inches and this is 12 or 16. Now okay. Now we will trim these lines. Okay. Now we will exit from this sketch and then we will go to structural members. You can search here structure member if it is not present on your task pane. In structural members we have bars, tubes and angle. So I am going to use tube and I can change its configuration, which is size. Now we have three different sizes. The first one is 3 by 2. It means that its length will be 3 inches, width will be 2 inches and thickness will be 0.25 inches. So we can select according to our requirement and we can select the type of our structural member, and here we have angle iron, C channel pipe, rectangular tube, S section and square tube. I am going to select rectangular tube and the size will be 3 by 2 into 0.25 and our unit is inch. Now we will select groups. In groups we will select lines from this structure. Now we will select groups. In groups we will select lines. So in first group we have this line, then this. Now we have selected all lines. Now we will click OK. You can check that we have made a rectangular shape structure which consists of 4 tubes and these are cut at 45 degree and then welded. So now we have to show all these things in drawings, and we will also make a bill of material. First of all, we will save this part in a folder. So Control S, and I will select a folder. Steel structure. Open, and I will name it as rectangular structure. Now I have saved it. Now we will save these cut lists so that we will able to cut the tube in order to make a structure like this. So I will click on cut list, and here we have option save bodies. Keep in mind that we have to save this part before doing this. So I will click on cut list, then save bodies, and now I have 4 bodies. So I will click on auto assign names. It has named all these parts, and it will save all parts separately so that we can extract 2D drawings of these parts. Now I will click on OK. Click on yes. This is to confirm that we are saving each part separately in that folder. Now all the parts are saved into that folder. Now we will confirm it. We will minimize SOLIDWORKS and we will open this folder. Now we can see that this is the real part and this is the real part, and these 4 are the other parts or splitted parts of this main design or model. Now we will open this. Now we will make drawings, and now we will make 2D drawing from this structure. We will click on this page and here on make drawing from part assembly. Now we have to select the size of drawing sheet, and I will select A3. I will select A3 ANSI landscape. You can select any size from all these available size, or you can use a modified drawing sheet. So I have A3 landscape. Now click on OK. We have now I will drag these drawings on this drawing sheet. So I will click on this top view and I will place it here, and I am going to show the drawing in third angle projection. So I will click on top view and then I will drag it here. Next we have this front view here and right side view here. Now we will import drawings of these parts separately. So we will click here and here we have all these parts which are saved as cutting bodies separately in a folder. We have placed views of this rectangular structure and now we will place the views of cut bodies we saved in folder. So we have to click here and now we have all these cut bodies and I will click on any of them. First of all I will click on this, open, and here we have right side view, left side view. We will drag it and we will place it here. Now we will click on OK. We have this top part. We will place it here and click OK. We will move this part. Now we will place top part. Here. Now we will drag this part to move it in left direction. Click OK and we will slightly move this. Here. Click on OK and now we have to place the view of this tube. This is front view and we will place it here. So now we have to place a isometric view. So we have this is structure, open, and this is isometric view of our drawing. Click here OK. Now we will move toward the real thing, which is the bill of material, and now we will place bill of material. We will click on smart dimension and we will show dimensions of our structure. this is showing 26 as we are measuring it from these edges. The actual length of the drawing line is 24 inches. Now we will show the cutting angle. For that purpose, smart dimension, and the angle is 225 degree. And here we have dimension of this tube, which is 3, height 3 inches, and width is 2 inches, and thickness is 0.25 inches. Now we have to place bill of material, and the bill of material will automatically calculate the number of parts and their dimensions so that they can be added to bill, and it will assist us in calculating the actual cost of our structural product. So I will click on table, and here we have bill of material. And now we will select the part or our main model. So this is our main model, and here we have the properties of our bill. So we will take it as it is, and we will click on OK. Here our bill is generated, and I will place it here, and we can see that here we have a part rectangular structure, and it consists of tubes having 3-inch height, 2-inch width, and 0.25 inch thickness, and their quantity is 2. And next we have a tube 3-inch height with 2 inches width and 0.25 inches, and we have 2 in numbers, which means that we require 2 tubes of 24 inches and 2 of 16 inches. So this was our tutorial. I hope you will like this video, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming videos. Thanks for watching.